Hey there, here's VIZIO Mobile app. So just tap get to install it, and then we can just use double click to install it. Yes, this is kind of like remote for your VIZIO smart TV. You can control your entire entertainment experience with your mobile device. So instead of standard remote, you can just use your phone. So yeah, it's previously it was called VIZIO Smartcast Mobile. So VIZIO Mobile brings together all your favorite entertainment from multiple apps into one simple experience. So you can launch apps on your TV, build your own list of favorite apps, simple controls wherever you are, power on off devices, play, pause content, adjust volume, everything. So here you can just see device control, you can launch apps. You can browse movies and TV shows. You can see moments. You can see visual account content on the command. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. Let's just explore how it looks like. So, yeah, you can create an account or sign in, or you can just continue as a guest. Then you just need to So then, yeah, you just need to connect to VIZIO TV or soundbar by selecting the device above. So then you just need to pair those, and then, yeah, then you can just see all the models which are available. So it can be either a TV or it can be audio device. And then you can just launch apps from here. You can browse some TV movies and some titles. Viziogram, view photos and videos from your friends and family on your VIZIO TV with Viziogram, so you can do that. It's an interesting feature, and then that's your account as well. And interesting, it also works with Alexa, it works with Hey Google or Apple Home, so that's also additional thing. So yeah, it's kind of pretty easy. You can just adjust to it, and then, if you're watching TV and you're just swiping a news on your phone, whatever, then you can also use your phone as a remote, and it can be quite convenient. Some people like it, where you just use your phone as a remote. There is this feature already for Apple TV devices where you can just swipe through the Apple TV and use your phone kind of like as a remote. For instance, when your remote just disappeared or you lost your remote, it can be handy alternative, so you don't need to order a new one. So yeah, that's the idea. Hope you try out this app.